Hello everyone, welcome to the course called Protein Molecular Visualization. In this course, I'll be showing you how you can visualize protein molecules using tools like PyMol. In this course, I'll be explaining what are proteins, what are amino acids, all the basics behind the structure of the protein molecule. Next, we'll dive deep into the protein data bank, which is a resource for 3D structure on various biomolecules. In that module, we'll understand how we can get the protein structure, what are the various options, and what are the various functions that you can perform in the protein data bank. This is going to equip you with a lot of information as well as with a lot of skill sets that you can use to visualize protein. We'll understand how protein data bank graphic user interface for molecular visualization works. In detail, we'll also understand every single tab that is present in protein data bank. After completing protein data bank, I'll provide you introductory video lecture on PyMol. In that module, I'll show you how you can visualize the protein, how you can get the protein, how you can understand its structure, and all the basic things that we are going to do. In the next module, I'll show you how you can utilize PyMol to create different sub-objects, how you can color them, how you can label them, how you can analyze various structures, how you can create your own biomolecules, very, very high quality biomolecule images that you can use in your reports. So basically, you will get a detailed overview on protein structure, what is protein structure, and how we can understand the protein structure, the functions of amino acids. In detail, you'll understand the protein structure, basically the biochemistry of protein biomolecules. Next module will explain you about the protein data bank and how you can get a 3D structure file. I'll talk about a lot of interesting things. I'll talk about how you can select a particular structure, which structure we are going to use, and why we are selecting that particular structure. In that particular module, I'll tell you everything about that. Just to give you an idea, I'll select one structure which will have ligand molecule, which will have protein molecule, which will have also the DNA molecule, so that we can cover all three things at one single time and we can analyze the protein molecule in very much detail. And then in the final module, I'll show you how you can do some advanced things and how you can understand the interaction of the biomolecules with the small molecule as well as with the DNA molecule. During that process, you will get skill sets where you can create your own wonderful biomolecular images that you can use in your project reports. At the same time, when you'll enroll into this particular course, you will get extra material, not just the video, but you will get study material, which is basically a Word document which contains everything that I'll explain in that particular module. You will also get one presentation as the study material, and if you're a teacher, you can actually use that to teach this particular module to your students. So it's a useful resource material that I'm providing in this particular course. In addition to that, you will also get problem and solution document. That problem and solution document will provide you some advanced problems as well as their solutions. Every module will have all these things combined, and I'm also planning to add more things as we go along with this particular course. So if you become part of this particular course, all the future updates, they are going to be available at no cost for you, so that you can see any updated document, any updates that we make in this particular course, you will get the notification. So this is going to be a really good practical hands-on experience that you can get on protein biomolecular visualization. As we move forward, I will explain every single module initially, then you have to complete the module, and you also have to complete one MCQ based test. This is evaluation criteria. Then only you can move to the next module. Once you complete all the modules, you should be able to get a certificate from me. That means you have successfully completed this particular course. And this you can highlight in your CV, in your social media websites, and you can also showcase what are the skill sets that you have learned in this particular course. As far as cost is concerned, you check out and find out that all the courses that are similar to this are going to be at least more than double the price of what we are offering. So please, if you want to understand and learn everything in detail and also get all the resource material that you want to have for this particular topic, please take this course and you will definitely enjoy it. So all right, without any delay, let's start learning.